Hello and thanks for the introduction. This is Rita D'Amico, account manager for the EMEA region. And now let's find out what's inside the box. If you're already an Aurals country user, you have probably noticed the similarity of the two cases, which allows for an easy scanner transportation comfortably and safely. The internal rigid structure protects the scanner from movements and shocks, but also presents a high-quality and professional product at first sight. Opening the case, you will immediately find the MetiSmile, our compact and light 3D face scanner protected by a silicone shell. As you can see, the scanner is ergonomic and can be held very easily. The button placed in the center will help control the scanning process, like activating and stopping the acquisition, and the LED light will help understand the status of the scanner. For example, it should light up green during the correct acquisition. The 5 cameras allow an accurate scan with a realistic and detailed texture. The MetiSmile will be powered with the power adapter. The relay box enable you to connect both Aurals Country and MetiSmile at the same time for a function and very fast integration, keeping the work area organized. Through the USB flash drive, you can install the software locally or download the latest version from our official website, shining3d.com. The 8 adjustable tripod will give a user more ergonomic scanning experience, making the patient sit comfortably in a chair and placing the scanner on the desk or holding it for a higher control during the scan. A set of markers is supplied together with the MetiSmile, necessary to acquire the patient's bite and recording the mandibular movements with precision and easiness. So, last but not the least, very important, the calibration plate protected by its own bag. Let's now proceed to the setup of our MetiSmile. At first, you can put the scanner on its tripod. Then you just need to connect the power adapter to the relay box on its proper socket. After doing that, we can also connect the data cable from the scanner directly on the relay box. After that, we can just go ahead and connect to the computer the relay box. And that's all. As you can see, it's very easy and the desk will remain very tidy. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching and see you soon.